Our minds do play tricks on us, and sometimes it's really hard to tell what color something is. If you are having trouble, try getting a white piece of paper and hold it next to that part of your animal, and that might help you see exactly what color you're looking for. Let's keep it simple. Start by choosing 3 main colors: a light color, medium, and a dark color. I've prepared my drawing by erasing everything I don't need. I'm leaving only a very, very light outline. I don't want any extra graphite on the paper to mix with my color and make it look dirty. Now, when you color with colored pencils, you don't color just once and then you're finished. It's similar to drawing. You build it. So we're going to build our color in layers, and we'll keep adding to it to make it deeper and richer. I've started coloring with my medium value, or my middle value, and I'm coloring very lightly, only where I see that color. I'm keeping it light because I know I can always add more, but I really can't erase it. So start light, and then you'll build more layers later. Next, I'll start using my dark value. Find the places that are darker. Now, I'm not coloring very dark. I'm using very light pressure. It's a light layer. I'm just looking to find where are their dark parts, where are their shadows, and I'm starting to put those in. Again, remember, we're adding in layers. You don't need to go very dark right away. You're just mapping out where those dark parts are going to be. Now I've switched back to another medium value. I noticed some parts of the bear look a little reddish or orangish to me, so that's a more orange color. And now I'm switching back to a dark value again. An advanced technique you can use is if you color in the direction of the fur, that will help us to see the fur. Now I'm switching to my lightest value, which is white. But it's so light, it's actually hard to see against the white paper. So I put a little bit of that blue sky in as well to help us see the white of the bear. As you keep layering colors, you'll notice that the pencils will start to blend together and they'll start to look smoother the more layers you add. Now, just like when you were drawing, always pause, take a look, and look at the original. I noticed this part looks just a little too dark, and so in your bin you'll see some Magic Rub Prismacolor erasers. They're not brilliant. It's hard to erase Prismacolor, but you can try. You can use the edge or the corner to get really small parts. Then keep switching between your dark, medium, and light values and your different colors. Keep adding layers and more layers until it looks just right.